tonight we're gonna have spaghetti only made with the Chitarra board. That's almost like a mandolin. Wires hooked up. Here, the noodles come out more of a squarish. Here, you can see they're kind of bigger. They're more hearty. You roll out your dough. Now this is a semolina, 50% semolina, 50% double O flour, 3 eggs, 3 egg yolks, and a teaspoon of olive oil. It's on the Chitarra board, and so then you have to press firmly, and as you press firmly, it starts to fall through. So this is just, another way to make pasta. We're reheating our Diavolo sauce, and I have a little parsley and garlic, and then we're going to put in our sausage. We're taking the casings off, put that in, and we're gonna have that with our Chitarra spaghetti. The meat looks good. We're gonna put that into our sauce. Here we go, into the drink. Here we have our sausage mixed with our Diavolo sauce. Now our pasta's ready, and we're gonna put it into the sauce. You should put a little bit of pasta water in. So anyway, I think that it looks pretty good. If you can take a peek here.
Looks good enough to eat.
Looks pretty yummy. It's not Chef Boyardee, it's Chef Dr. C 716.